Hey guys, welcome back. So a student sent me this question this morning asking me please to work it because they have a test in their class today. So I am here to do this question for him as it was kind of challenging. So I am going to be going to the board to work this question. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Okay, so I'll be working this question involving transversal and parallel lines where algebra is involved, which basically means you're gonna be given some variables to solve for either x, y, or whatever the letter is, but you have to know the concept behind transversal and parallel line first before you can do this. So here we have 75, 5x minus 10, and 10y minus 25 degrees. So first you need to examine the diagram you're given, then you look to see which relationship is evident or you can identify. So right here on your right hand side, I can see that 75 and 5x minus 10, they have a relationship because they are co-interior angles, and for co-interior angles, I'm going to put co-int, their sum, let's say sum, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Alright, so they gave you 75 and they gave you 5x minus 10. The sum of these two should equal to 180 degrees. So what you can do, there's two different ways of approaching this. My board is gone, okay? Two different ways of approaching this. You can say 180 minus 75 is equal to 105. So you know that all of this here, angle, is equal to 105. Alright, so you can say 5x minus 10 is equal to 105. I can't come, give me a minute. Minus 10 is equal to 105 and you solve for y, x like that. Hold on that.
Can I come in?
No. But you can come in my class.
I need to just sign a paper.
Give me a minute. Hold on guys, I'm coming. So 5x minus 10 is equal to 105 because 105 plus 75 is equal to 180. So that's one method. Another method you could use is to add these two. You could say 5x minus 10 plus 75 and it's equal to 180. Whichever method you decide to use, it should give you the same answer. So let's solve this one. So we're solving for x, so we have to do the opposite operation for whatever we're seeing. So it's like subtracting 10 from 5x, so we have to add 10 to both sides to cancel. So 5x is equal to 115. And I have to do my calculator guys because my brain is not working. So 115 divided by 5, that's equal to 23. So x is equal to 23. I'm going to use this method as well to show you that the answer will be the same. So first you can group these two because they're like terms, because they're all constants. So negative 10 plus 75 would give you 65. And that's added to 5x and that's equal to 180. From here, you basically solve for x, so you're going to subtract 65 from both sides, and 180 minus 65 should give you 115, and that's equal to 5x. These two, as you know, would cancel, so divide by 5 on both sides, so x is equal to 23. And there you go, they both be the same thing. Is today the thing? And you're just making me sign this, little girl?
Yes.
Alright, let me go for a pen. Hold on. Any color can be used?
Yes.
Okay. Give me a sec, guys.
Let me see if I can
I don't think there's no money there, because one boy asked me to do it for him.
Really?
Where do I sign? Oh, the back. You only going for first block?
I think it's just first block, but I'll get the teacher's signature just in case. I don't know. I don't even know what we're doing.
What does it do? Oh, blah, blah.
You don't even know what STEM class you teach.
Nope. Provenza. What's my
Silly
name?
girl.
Alicia.
Oh, Alicia. Ooh.
Fancy than Morgan? No. You have a rich name.
Morgan?
Yeah.
No, I have a boy's name.
No, it's unisex actually.
It is unisex. Mainly more. Thank
So
you.
them that won't see you?
No, I think you probably will. I don't know when we're getting back, but I think you'll see me.
This Janae. And I'm
Yeah, we returned by
put her on the
7:15.
live stream. Put her on
She's
the
on a
live
live
stream. So she needs to be nice. And don't walk at the front, you need to walk at the back.
Adios, Felicia.
She just comes by my first name. I'm doing a question for a person who asked me, and I don't know if I'm sure if he's there, but we're still doing it. Just if he can go back and watch it if he wants. And fix your face. Why are you acting like that? What did I say to you? Did I offend you? No way? Alright. Sorry about that, guys. As I was saying, you can use any of these methods to solve for x and it should give you the same answer. If you want to solve for y, you have to identify another relationship. And so you can see that these two angles here are considered to be vertically opposite angles because they form an x, they share common points. Alright, so right here you see that this angle is equal to this one is equal to that one. So 10y minus 25, that's equal to 5x minus 10. And we know that 5x minus 10, just trust me. Judy. It's okay, go ahead and like the video. It's okay, like the video. We know that 10y minus 25 is equal to 5x minus 10. These kids, guys, I'm telling you. 5x minus 10, so we can go ahead and solve for y. So we know that this part here is already 105. So instead of putting the value of x to be 23 here, if you want to, you can. But we know the answer is going to be 105. Because we just found it right here, where we say 180 minus 75 give us whatever is down here. So 10y minus 25 is equal to 105. We now need to solve for y. So we have to add 25 to both sides. That cancels. Bring the 10y down. So 10y is equal to, that's going to give you 130. And the 10 divided by 130 is going to give you 13. So y is equal to 13. And that's basically how you solve for the missing variables using transversal and parallel relationships. So if you have another video you want me to explain it for you, I'll be happy to do so. However, that was a question he sent to me and I just did it for him because he's supposed to have a test this afternoon. And I hope it was useful. Oh, you guys can see the bottom part there. So it's equal to 23. All right, Mr. Montano. I hope this was useful for you. I am now going to end the live stream because I'm going to have to prepare for my class. But if you guys have any more questions you want to send to me, and I'll do it. I'll be happy to do it for you and explain it either on a live stream or in a video or something of that sort. Okay? Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you on my next video.